Shakas, aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to show one of the Christmas cards I received from one of my subscribers and crafty friends. Her name is California Karen 789, and this is what she mailed. I love this ornament. And then I also have a VR for Scraps Diva Design. She's having an inspirational challenge, and she just is asking for either an index card, which could be any size, but a normal index card is 3x5, or an 8x8 page. And she's putting these in her journal, so she wants an inspirational quote added to it as well. And this is my project, my entry. So I just blended some stamped ink that I had, and then I die cut out this die from the Stamps of Life. It's their snowflake die, but I've mentioned before how it looks like a quilt, Hawaiian quilt pattern. And then I just added this layered flower to the center. And then I also used this Lawn Fawn Aloha die cut for the sentiment. I blacked up the edges with my ink pad. So that's my index entry. Hopefully she likes it. And then that's my inspirational quote with my information on the back. And it just says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." So yeah, I'll leave her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. Her challenge does go to the end of this month, December, and so you still have time. And so if you're interested, go check her out. Like I said, I'll leave that information in my description box below. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Please consider sharing the video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment for questions. Here's more videos for you to see. And until my next video, shakas!